No, boss. Hey, boss.
But just what?
We talked about. You told me that you're gonna fix my car 100%. This is why the car has moved from Brikama to your garage.
Assalamu alaikum. Jibelal hanibi dorong alangal lamoy nying mola melealon ko fital lamu, and of course ikas kamenda fananke and ikata mut mialon ko ibla fring kanyum muso fanan scam.
I met your boys there. I told them what is the rope doing in my car. They told me that they still don't fix my gearbox. And you told me that the part you were going to take a picture of, I never get those parts. And now they are insulting me and they are fighting.
But muso na side of the story. Na yinki baro soto loko fita mumu akas scamming nake ando akatu ala customer scam lele all the time.
My car 100%. This is why the car has moved from Brikama to your garage. I have my evidences with me.
I told you the problem with the car. The problem with the car, you said you are going to get a gearbox from Dubai. So what can I do?
No, I didn't. I never told you that I'm going to get a gearbox. You told me that you might buy a gearbox and it's not going to be the size. You told me your things are coming from Germany, you're going to fix it. Or you're going to Senegal to get me. I record you. Our conversation has been recorded. You don't know? Whatever conversation I had with you from that day has been recorded. Because somebody told me that you're going to just get money from me and you're not going to fix it. So our conversation were recorded. I'm going to police now. I'm going because I know that you steal stuff from my gearbox. I know you steal from me. This is why you could not even fix my gearbox since you put my car down. So that when you need parts from my car, you can take it. Then why didn't you know? Why when you know that? Why didn't you?
Ikuna is scam akaminke wale yintiko. Ni la fa complain na akafere ko ele moto cheap ron.
This cheap car, you want to, tell just because of this car. Just because of this car you have there. This car is not even.
Hello.
But atala gara so fonto minti welkata automotive technical CC your German partner for solution and it will be sabatren dami welkata bojan kunda Johnson wati mutul kaden dami. For example, ni jita bojang kunda ye taksilta yita konoto janika futa karambo yinto mutul ka dendami nyilla garasu abasabatring wolto bare ela do kula min baby ye e be mum mollati miyalon ko ye tumi ko etol mun skamalati andim fanan e ka nyina fo molle ko nimbela moto de dala ni atre la part sol milier problem soto mbi bon la nan jaman ne nginat nan ye fix ela moto bala. So obviously ning atre la ci moto e problem soto e kameneke e ko kuma ko min foyeli comme ning atra joron ni ya ni gambie masoro fereng so e kameneke ka foy ko banyum joron kari ka bonni ni jaman karle mbabul la jaman nyim jaman country la ko wala nga bonni european country to continental bambul la mi yalon ko ibinala nan gambia. So sai ni ete convince wala ite kala mututu itol bulo konale sai ite kata siring ko nyil benn mutu de dala wal ni la joron na nan ibanat lale ban ni aye doro ite la kam faale tol bulo konale so e kamene ke nim modo yela mutu samba mi yalan ko fanala mutu mbibi ay manyu problem la soto bare amala ngabala mutu de dala nyami bare wo fana ala mutu samba ji ibale mene kala ibolo mutu la spare patol talale ya kafu won don kan mi yalan ko be complain kana wala woy traiten ko abise mala police. So sa ni wakata sa itala moto ite mi yalan ko yela moto samba je ibela parsol bon la ya di nyindongala pour ini wala ko bo yobulo kono. But at the end of the day wo moto ite la moto min samba every day wakatu problem wala kono. So bi mine kata
yeah, you know it's a customer. And you know no matter how cheap the car is, no matter what she value it, and it doesn't matter what kind of car, as long as the car gonna take him from one point to another point, that won't matter. She trusted you. That's the reason why she took the car to your garage. If situation happen, you can able to.
Let me explain to you what happened.
Okay.
Right now I'm not in Gambia. Right now I'm in Germany. You know, this is why because I heard about it. I'm in Germany, and this really pissed me off. You know, because there's all the videos of the gearbox which is spoiled. That's it for get a gearbox. You understand? What is the loss you want to do?
There's a blatant lie. I have a record. of it. I have a record. Talk to me. I get the record of it.
Okay.
Give me back my money I gave you because you told me 100% you're going to fix it. You said when you don't fix it, you're going to give me back my money. Where's my money?
Okay, now. Okay.
No, you told me to give you $6,000 that you're going to scan my car and tell me the problem. You could not even tell me anything. You could not even tell me anything.
Now the problem is, okay, listen. Hold on. Now, okay, listen.
Okay, pay back the 6,000.
La moto di ni mola 9 months ago. But bring I moto di ila boss ya itandala loko ila jia boxo wala mprobimoti andum bade dano lale. But jia boss wonying atabuka soto jang. Musundungi na complain nyinto. So musundungi na raka fa ko etam le minimum solution woti ako anara ka fa ko nintara na jorong kabanam jaman ne ni na nan dorong mbe ila jia boxo fale na la ngake yim moto yim bala. But after musundungi na foroto because bring out a phone call agina itanda ko musundungi fana fa ko aba jorong yim bon la nang jaman ne sorry abala jorong yim bon la nang Dubai le pour kala moto yim topoto. But just what musundul ni na jorongol ni moto jorongol ye jamala bondige ye dolu waf ye dol dundi dol la moto kono musundo ni tara pour kala moto jibe atra ala moto be sitering andu biring atra sitering anata ko suspect ko nyin yara fam iko e bentala moto de dalale ning atra ela jorongol bodanang jamani comme ela jorongol ka do ko mi niwol bodanang jamani ako ibena moto de dalal barsa aflenting imanna kanna moto deda say meneke yola jorongol killing bondige ka dundi modol la motolto ka dolta ka wol wafu based on story in nata nyami police ol nata nenge istaraka police ol fanan attack. So basically, nyina kata and musundo nying anin kendo be diamu kan telephone to yala mi no faay aka faay ko ha ile moto chip room moto mi yalan ko is so cheap waye betale be na dinno la attack la wala atra musundo nyi manta pour ki attack barata la pour kala moto jibe pour ay complete nyi lodge ataya. So the basic story about the entire news is nyim fital mi yalan ko telebe bojan kunda Johnson auto andi ila garage auto muminti wala kata automotive technical CC your German partner for solution molla mi yalon ko ye tumi ko e ka skaben deke andu mom woni la moto sambaje ning atara ya sambaje le with the hope that ko be la moto de dalale at the end of the day ibukana la moto de da bare sai kana mi neke e ka kumo norong la ta ya foe ka fo ko la moto mi yalon ko is very cheap because ka rendo ko tele moto lo ite wala ne ko mo ko ta ko foe so sai mbadu ngolu atole amena minimum the issue atole amena what is the way forward for this kind of problem mi alon ko fital fanan ko ke ila doku lalla wala mol mi alon ko ke la mutul samba fital to bal fital ka to ila pat sol tala ki ta ki waf o ke dundi modo la mutul to ka doku nyinke atole amena what is the way forward so mbal dan na al nyim video share nga karang nga nyo haklimaya sentending case nyimba police station le and the police will find they are doing all their best can make sure can case nyinta can fight but enough of column minimum Allah suggestion what is your take on